Welcome to our exploration of prehistoric art during the Neolithic period. Prepare to be captivated by the world of tombs and rituals as we unearth the secrets of ancient European civilizations. Marvel at the grandeur of monumental constructions and join us in unraveling the mysteries of the past. Together, we will shed light on the profound significance of architecture and embark on an unforgettable journey through the hidden realms of our ancestors. Discover how the echoes of ancient rituals still resonate today as we take you on a captivating voyage through time. My name is Lucas Lima, architect and professor of art history. Welcome to my channel. During the Neolithic period, people in Western and Northern Europe primarily constructed their dwellings using stones or wooden frames made of intertwined twigs covered in mud or earth, and thatched roofs, although the latter rarely survived. An exceptional example can be found at Skara Brae, located on the Orkney Islands off the northern tip of Scotland. Skara Brae is a collection of 10 stone houses dating between 3100 and 2600 BCE. To protect against the harsh weather, the builders constructed the houses within mounds and connected them through covered passages. Each house consisted of a square room with walls made of flat, unmortared stones. The roof, supported by driftwood and whalebone, was covered with turf thatch. Inside the rooms, hearths were used for cooking, and the inhabitants fashioned furniture such as beds and shelving from large flat stones. It was not solely for protection, but also for ceremonial burial and rituals that the Neolithic people of Western and Northern Europe created monumental architecture. They used enormous stone blocks, known as megaliths, to define spaces for tombs and rituals. Often, these megaliths were arranged in trilithic structures, with two upright stones supporting a horizontal capstone, creating tombs with one or more chambers. These tombs, known as dolmens, were both impressive and durable. In some cases, upright megaliths called menhirs were used to mark out specific areas, potentially serving as ritual centers. One remarkable example can be found at Ménec in the Carnac region on the south coast of Brittany. Over 3,000 megaliths were placed upright in long, straight rows stretching over 3 kilometers. The smaller stones, approximately 3 feet in height, were situated at the eastern end, gradually increasing in height to over 13 feet at the western end. Scholars suggest that these rows, with their east-west orientation, functioned as a calendar, allowing an agrarian society to gauge the sun's position in the sky throughout the year. The quarrying, shaping, transportation, and erection of these massive blocks were remarkable achievements, requiring not only engineering expertise, but also highly efficient organization of manpower. The resulting monument, characterized by its repeated yet diverse forms and its interaction with the slow passage of the sun, exudes a serene grandeur and majesty, imposing a sense of quiet order on the surrounding landscape. Megaliths are often found arranged in circles known as cromlechs. This circular arrangement is prevalent in Britain, where one of the most famous megalithic structures, Stonehenge, is located on the Salisbury Plain. Although Stonehenge appears as a unified design today, it was constructed in at least 4 phases. The initial phase involved digging a massive ditch to define a circle approximately 330 feet in diameter on the white chalk ground. An embankment over 6 feet high was then created around the inside of the circle. A stone-lined avenue led from the circle to a pointed gray sandstone megalith, now known as the heel stone. By around 2100 BCE, Stonehenge had evolved into a horseshoe-shaped arrangement of 5 Sarsen triliths, surrounded by a ring of upright blocks capped with lintels. Inside the circle, a circle of smaller bluestone blocks was erected. Recent excavations have revealed the remains of a similar wooden monument located 3 kilometers away, as well as traces of a village. Archaeologists believe that these structures are interconnected. The exact significance of Stonehenge and its nearby counterparts remains a tantalizing mystery. Many prehistorians propose that Stonehenge, like Ménec, served as a marker of time. Its monumental scale also suggests a ritual function, possibly related to burial practices. The circular arrangement of Stonehenge further supports this conjecture, as circles hold central importance in rituals across various societies. In fact, its enigmatic nature led medieval observers to believe that Stonehenge was the creation of King Arthur's magician, Merlin. To this day, Stonehenge attracts crowds during summer solstices. What we do know for certain is that both Ménec and Stonehenge required significant labor and engineering skills. The largest trilith, located at the center of the horseshoe in Stonehenge, stands at 24 feet, supporting a 15-foot long and 3-foot thick lintel. The Sarsen blocks, weighing up to 50 tons each, were transported 37 kilometers from the Marlborough Downs. The bluestones, originating 320 kilometers away in the Welsh Preseli Mountains, represent an incredible feat of transportation. The blocks reveal meticulous stone working, with capstones fitting snugly over projections on the uprights, creating a stable structure using a mortise and tenon joint. The upright megaliths taper upward, visually emphasizing the weight they bear and capturing a sense of energy within the stones. The lintels are carefully shaped to appear vertical from the ground, curving smoothly on the horizontal plane, showcasing a refinement reminiscent of the Parthenon in classical Athens. As the sun sets on the horizon, we find ourselves immersed in the mysteries of prehistoric art, a time when written records were absent, leaving the intentions of these ancient artists shrouded in enigma. Yet, by the end of the Neolithic era, our ancestors had harnessed the power of painting, sculpting, pottery making, and monumental architecture. They wielded their newfound mastery over images and spaces with finesse, crafting both naturalistic and abstract forms, and manipulating space in ways that still captivate us today. As the final brushstrokes of this chapter fade away, a new dawn rises on the horizon, beckoning us to embark on a thrilling journey into the heart of ancient Egypt. In the next enthralling episode, we'll traverse the sands of time to uncover the rich artistic traditions of one of history's most revered civilizations. So, grab your adventurer's hat and join us as we continue to explore the captivating world of art history. Before you embark on your next adventure, we have a special invitation for you. Make sure to become an esteemed fellow by subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll unlock a treasure trove of art history that awaits your discovery. And don't forget to show your appreciation for our journey together by giving this video a well-deserved thumbs up. Your support helps us continue unearthing the captivating stories behind the world's most mesmerizing art. To ensure you never miss a moment of this exciting expedition, click on the notification bell and select All. This way, you'll be the first to know when we venture into uncharted artistic territories, and you'll always be ready to embark on the next enthralling episode. Join us now and become an integral part of our ever-growing community of art enthusiasts. Together, we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of art history, one masterpiece at a time. And if you want to delve deeper, I invite you to read my meticulously detailed articles by subscribing to our exclusive newsletter and transform the way of seeing the world. See you in the next episode.